Hey, welcome back to the Shade Tree and welcome back to the 6th installment of putting this old girl back on the road. We're getting close to pulling the engine on this thing. But first we got to get the rest of her torn down. We got to get the windshield out. Got to get these panels on the inside of the truck out. All this stuff off the engine. Get her hooked up and get her ready to get pulled out of there. Good thing about having cats, I have an endless supply of Speedy Dry. Well, we got our engine all stripped down. I just want to show you guys something real quick. Remember the video I put up with the engine running and it had the tick in? It sounded like a lower end tick to me. Check this out. You think that could have something to do with it? We're going to go ahead and change bearings anyway in the lower end. We're going to pull the intake off, check the lifters, push rods and all that stuff. Go from there. Tomorrow House.
If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Now tell me, baby, what you think of me. Well, now tell me, baby, what you think of me. You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. 'Cause my train is here and you know I gotta go.
We got our windshield out. We got our panels out in the back. All the glass is out now. Finally got that door off. Engine stripped down. The only thing left to do is pull a couple motor mount bolts or converter bolts. She's ready to come out. We may have to wait till next week. I got someone coming to help me out, take this motor out. In the meantime, we'll get to doing some of this metal work. Patch panel on the bottom of the driver's door. We got a little spot here on the passenger door that's got to be cut out and replaced. We have enough material left from our box front to cut patch panels for the doors, so we don't have to order any patch panels for that. We got to cut some filler panels here for the sides of the box just so debris doesn't get back in there. And so we'll do all that metal work today, I think. That'll be a good way to finish off the week. Next week we will get this engine out of here for sure, whether I have to do it myself. Okay, so I went and hit a few other issues we had with this door. A large hole here where somebody may have put one of those Western mirrors on. Had to fill that. Had a bunch of holes here. Somebody may have hung a sign years ago. Don't know why that would be like that. Got our brace in. Got our door bottom in. Hit it with a little fiber fill. Give it a little more strength. We'll repeat the process on the passenger door. I'm not really going to film that. It's just the same process over smaller area. We got a lot done. We got the engine torn down. She's ready to be pulled out. We got all the glass out. Got the panel out of the back there. We got the passenger door out and ready to be repaired. We got the driver's door repaired. I got about $100 into this box front from LMC Truck. With shipping and all that, it was about $100. Not only were we able to complete our box front, but we had enough material left over to repair the two doors. So I think that's really good. I know it wasn't a very exciting video this week, but it's stuff that has to get done. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends. That would be cool. Till next week, man, take it easy.